when you unbox your corners, they kind of come as the set. So when we cut these miters, we actually keep them paired. So these are cut from the same original piece, and you can see this is your corner here. So your option is you could technically apply adhesive here on the inside, although it's a little bit flimsy. So what we recommend is you take a utility knife and you cut these pieces so that you have just one set. And the thing that's nice about these being matched from their original cutting is that the thickness is the same. And so when you have that corner bend, it's actually the correct thickness and you have a nice match there. So you can install this with this tape on the surface, add your adhesive unless you're using mastic on the wall, and you can just use this, use the tape, you can keep holding it together, or you can peel off and reposition if you need to, whatever works for you to get that corner nice and tight. And then what you want to do is you want to go back and forth with your longer and shorter legs. So basically you can cut each row. This one you could use to alternate because it's shorter on this leg, longer on this leg. So when you have those up on your corner, you're going to have this variation so you can continue your tiles from there. If you want to take them apart, you sure can. It really does help to keep them paired together. So again, when you take these out of the box, just use a little bit of caution. But this is the easiest way we have to ship these to you, nice and flat, nice and secure. And that is your mitered corners.